to our school principal, Mr. Robert G. Oy, to our school directress, Mrs. Leonita G. Oy, to our parents, teachers, visitors, friends, and to my fellow graduates, good evening. We must prove to our parents, teachers, and community that as young adults, we will make the right decision because they provided us with the right tools to do so. Today is a day to be thankful for all the glory that we have received for 4 years of staying here at the PBDS Academy. It is a great honor to become a graduate, but this privilege given to me is much more. After 4 years of hardships in studying, the days and nights I've spent in my schoolwork just to assure that I will get high good grades are all worth it. But all of this didn't came as easy as that. I strive for it. I strive just to prove them na kaya ko. And with the help of God and people around me, na kaya kong ma-achieve ang lahat ng ito. And now as we go on our journey to the next chapter of our lives, this institution prepared us as young adults. So we have much to be thankful for the fine administration and caliber teachers who teach us and share their knowledge and experiences with us. For the past 4 years, they teach us how to learn in our mind, but more important is to learn with our heart. And to thank them to Ma'am Judith Sakenya, who made mathematics easy for us to understand. To all your words of wisdom that made us realize how our life must be. Every minute of your teaching hours made it a meaningful one. Since then, nakita niyo po kami on how to grow up from the very start. Ma'am Judith witnessed all those schooling days. The time it takes too fast that it seems that it was only yesterday that you called us as South Koreans, but today as graduates. To Sir Alexander Covillan, who always believed in the ability of our class, you always said that we could be the best of what we can be. With that, sir, I thank you. To Ma'am Tess, Sir Madrigal, and Sir Paul, and Sir Roland Baltasar, thank you for the time that you've spent with us. Although in some moment, our class became pasaway. For all our kaingayans na naidulot namin sa inyo, for all the headaches na binigay namin sa inyo, for all the headaches na nagawa ng class namin, sorry. And I still remember the time na almost give up na kayo sa klase namin. But you still stand for us. You're always there to give us what we need, and that is to learn. From the long lectures, high school discussions, or some simple debates, I thank you all. To Sir Erwin Lazar, who became a good teacher and also a CET commandant to our batch. With your great voice, sumusunod kami agad sa'yo. You're one of those teachers na nakakapuna to all our simple mistakes mula sa pag-upo, pananalita, way ng pananamit namin. We are thankful because you are there to guide us, to remind us regarding to our attitude. Without you, hindi namin may tatama ang mga simpleng kamaliang iyon. You teach us how to become a good individual. And 4A will forever miss the time that we called you as mayor. And to thank our beloved class advisor, Mr. Joseph Ablaneda. Your class advisory have lots of reasons why to thank you. You're not just being an ordinary to 4A. We will miss all the Filipino discussions na never umabsent ang tawanan, the non-stop kulitan na naidulot namin sa inyo. Despite of our mistakes, never mo pa din kaming iniwan. Sa haba ng pasensya mo sa 4A. Thank you, sir. I know, napakadami naming nagawa sa'yo. Pero you still there. Still gave your helping hand to us. Thank you, sir, for believing to 4A. You will forever be part of your high school life. And I do not know if it is the right time to thank my previous teachers and advisors. Ma'am Mary Ann, Ma'am Nene, and Ma'am Orga. I gained lots of knowledge from them. Still now, kahit di namin sila teacher, they gave me support. Naniniwala sila na kaya ko ma-achieve yung kinatatayuan ko ngayon. Those encouraging words, Ma'am, will forever be in mind. And the key to this success is no other than my family. It is my honor to present to you the most influential forces that guided me throughout this education. My papa and mama. Iniintira ko kayo dito sa stage at samahan ako ang napaka-mahal kong mama at papa. Sila aking pagdalawang taong napakahalaga sa buhay ko. In fact, they didn't push me to study in any specific subject or pressured me to take any extracurricular activities. Here they are. I just simply do my best para maipakita sa kanila na lahat ng ginagawa nila sa amin ay worth it. Sa papa ko, ilang New Year's, birthdays, at Christmas ang tiniis niya sa abroad just to give us what we need. And to my mama, I am her number one fan because despite of all the hindrances that came to us, he always had the strength to handle all the problems that we came. Lahat ng to, hindi ko na-achieve ng ganun-ganun lang kadali. Mula sa pagpupuyat, para malang maka-assure ako na makakakuha ako ng high grades, perfect score sa mga exam namin. Ginawa ko to hindi para sa akin, kundi para sa kanila. At nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. Kasi bakit niya binigay sa akin yung dalawang magulang na to? Kasi napakalaki ko, napakaswerte kong bata. Para sa akin sila ipagkaloob. And this awards is not really meant for me. This is really meant for my family, to my mama and papa.
We used to be frightened, scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laugh for a moment and start to cry. We were crazy.
To my mama and papa, para sa amin, no words can say how much I am thankful to have you. All these honors are really meant for you. I really love you and forever yun, kahit anong mangyari. I thank you, Mama and Papa. And now, it is my privilege to thank the graduating class of PBDS Academy, the batch of 2009 and 2010. To my co-seniors, the 4A Finland, aside from my family, my relationship with my classmates made me stronger. They helped me grow scholastically and more importantly, socially. For the past 4 years, and we should always be grateful that we have such excellent student leaders. And to mention that, Alvin Lirio, Amir Jolata, Dave Wilson Bolado, Jerby Jake, Monique, Majo, Tina, most of the time, sila yung nagbibigay ingay sa klase namin. Sa kanila nagsimula ang tawanan, kaingayan, sa apat ang sulok ng klase namin. And of course, not to forget, Shaquille Ortega. Although, nagkaroon kami ng long time na hindi pagkakausap, still, this day, mark and end it all. I know most of you tingin sa akin masungit. Walang ginawa kundi mag-aral. never sumama sa karamihan ng mga hangouts nyo. And another thing, isang taong seryoso. I know that. But thanks sa mga taong nakakakilala kung sino talaga ako. To Joy, Fermin, Eliza, Venus, Carol, Myra. They are the one na alam ang other side ko. Thanks for all the times na nandiyan kayo para sa akin, to support me. And I really know, and I really enjoy my high school days with you guys. Sa Fab 5, ni na Karen, ni na Venus, ni na Pam, ni Rachel, at ni Kat. Sa Fab 5 the second, sa Trinits, ni Jervy, ni Mario, at ni Monique. Sa Party Pips, ni na Kay, ni Carol, ni Myra, at ni Tin. To all the Black Knight members, na alam ko, lately na lang nabuo. Sa 7 Balatubes na binuo ni Sir Lazar. You made our graduating class an extraordinary one. Thanks to all the happy thoughts and memories na nakasama ko kayo. I spent numerous times with you. We laughed, cried, and celebrated joyous and triumphant moments, not to mention the trials, the hardships, and tears we shared with each other. To my co-officers, to our COs, to Sir David Milan, our City Commandant, thank you for almost 2 years of imparting your knowledge with us. You know, guys, kaya ako hindi ganun ka-close sa inyo o hindi ko pinapakita kasi gusto kong mag-pursue o mag-serious na sa study ko. And just to know you, kayo lang, dito lang ako sa school, may kaibigan. Hindi, kasi sa bahay namin or sa amin, wala na akong ibang kaibigan maliban sa inyo or maliban sa family ko. Yun lang. At sa may ate, siya yung palaging kasama ko. Although minsan nag-aaway kami, I know na part lang yun ng kulitan, ng pagmamahal. Lagi na sila sabi sa akin na ganyan ako, kung ano-ano. Pero I know, mahal na mahal niya ako kahit dahil pinapakita niya yun sa mga simpleng way. And I recognize that for many of us, it has been difficult to keep up with our studies. Sometimes, lagi na sinasabi, uy, magpakopya ka naman. I know, ang hirap, diba? But our perseverance has enabled us to overcome many obstacles that led us to this night. That's why, guys, you deserve to be here. And it will be our resilience that will keep us from ever failing in our future. Believe me, never let anyone or anything stop you from accomplishing your goals. Hindi ang college, rejection, or test grade, yung mga bagsak na grade, or any life's tribulation, hindi ang kahirapan, kawalan ng pera, kawalan ng pamasahe, o kawalan ng baon. If you should ever find yourself in this case, in this situation, do not never give up and remain hopeful. Do not lead yourself to believe that you're on the end of the road when things get tough. Stay confident and remember, there will always be an opportunity if you seek it. And more important is to have the right attitude. Baliwala ang katalinuhan, kagalingan, ang perfect na grades, exams ng isang estudyante kung wala siyang magandang pag-uugali. It is not the perfect exams or the class cards with the high grades, but the personality of the student. Always remember na dapat lagi nating taglay ang kabutihang asal dahil isa ito sa magdadalang sa atin tungo sa rurok ng tagumpay. And on the behalf of our graduating class of 2009 and 2010, I congratulate you all on your accomplishments and hope you will have the best of luck with your future endeavors. And especially dun sa mga parents na nakaupo ngayon sa silyang yan. Without you, kaming mga estudyanteng to, hindi namin makakamit. And it may be right, after graduation or in another 4 short years, moreover, in time, we will be the economists that make sure we never get through our recession, the scientists that will find alternative energy resources, and the educators that will train the next group of leaders. Kaya sa inyo, sa mga classmate ko, kana Ira, kana Tina, hindi inaasahan ko na someday, isa na kayo sa mga magiging magaling na teachers sa ating bansa. Whichever path we choose, we will forever share a same bond of being the graduating class of PBTS High School, our dearest alma mater, our very own PBTS Academy. The class of 2009-2010, aim high, sabi nga ni Jervy. Huwag magpadala sa anumang hirap ng buhay. Once again, sana someday, hindi lang ako ang tatayo sa stage sa harap ng maraming tao tulad nito. Sana kayo rin. Once again, may the best luck with you guys. Good evening and thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Regine Bangoy. And now, to sing the PBTS hymn and para lang minamahal, let us all welcome the graduates together with the PBTS choir and PBTS band with Sir William Enriquez conducting.